Expensive inflation. Dang you! Just eat the school breakfast. I really don't like the school breakfast, Mom. The pancakes are always so soggy. Have a great day at school, sweetie. I'll try with my starving stomach.
Stitch? Are you okay?
Dessert! That sounds,
Huh? Oh. Huh.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Oh, I am too, Marvin.
What do you guys want for dinner?
I think me and Daddy should get
That's it. Just a little closer.
It hurts. My belly hurts.
It's working! Let go of me! My fangs!
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Oh, you guys stink. I'm gonna go add this 20 to my cruise fund. Oh. Teddy!
Grumble, grumble. Kirby's tummy was growling, so he went searching for food. Too bad there aren't any tomatoes up here, he thought.
I love you, kid.
Uh-oh. Sounds like your tummy wants a snack too, Barney.
Oh, a snack does sound...
What's going on with that?
Gosh!